These are the simplest and most powerful techniques to improve your audio that actually work in the real world. And I think a very small group of people actually know about these features since they're kinda hidden or rarely talked about. And the first one is the new Enhance Audio feature in Premiere Pro. Previously, you had to use these repair options or do everything manually, and this can give you decent results. However, if I navigate to the Essential Audio panel and select Dialogue, in the newest version of Premiere Pro you'll find this button labeled Enhance Speech. So I have this clip from my previous video, and let's say I forgot to plug in my microphone and the only audio I have is from the camera, which sounds like this. For example, CapCut is more of a trust me bro situation. Pretty bad. I would definitely consider re-recording the video in this situation. To make it sound better, all I need to do is click Enhance and adjust this slider. I don't want to crank it up to 100 just because it won't sound natural, so I'll keep it around 70% for this example. I'll add some clarity and listen to the difference. For example, CapCut is more of a trust me bro situation. What it does is sends your audio to the cloud and with the help of AI removes any imperfections such as echo or background noise. I still wouldn't say it's perfect, but at least it's in the acceptable category, and if you add some background music, it will cover up the rest of the imperfections. And talking about background music, this is another area where you can improve your videos massively. I often hear the same music again and again in a lot of YouTube videos, and these music subscription services can definitely be helpful, but they can also be quite limiting. So having custom music tracks in your videos can definitely level up your production. But I hear you, I don't know anything about music production either. But there's this tool called Suno AI. And check this out. Let's say I want a song about a gangster Santa Claus in the style of ABBA. In just a few seconds, I was able to generate a completely unique and surprisingly good song. And you can be really creative with this. YouTubers are already using it in their videos, and there have been multiple viral trends created with this tool in particular.
How the hell you spell chauffeur? Chauffeur. Ooh, fancy pants, Rich McGee over here. Fuck you.
But for content creation, you can flip this switch and make an instrumental song, meaning it will have no vocals whatsoever, so you'll be able to use it as a background music for your videos. And since the songs are generated in seconds, it's faster than filtering and searching for the right music track. Just type in what you want, and there you have it. One additional trick is to use Premiere's Auto Remix tool to extend or shorten a song if it doesn't match your preferred length. There's also a possibility to write your own lyrics for even more customization.
Wishing he could touch the sky, feel the wind and taste the sunshine. Be a boy, not just a sign. Oh, stickman dreaming wide from the pencil stroke seen high.
I'd say definitely don't skip out on this and check this tool out. Lastly, let's put it all together. But oftentimes I see the same mistake again and again. The audio is either too quiet or too loud. When delivering to the web especially, it's really important to meet the required audio standards. If people have to crank up the volume when watching your video because it's too quiet, their eardrums will explode when some other video starts playing, and that's no fun. So I'll show you how to ensure that your audio is always the correct loudness. So after you edit your video, go to the export menu and set your settings as usual. After that, open up the effects menu and check loudness normalization. Select the ITU standard, set target loudness to -14, tolerance to 0.5, and true peak level to -0.1. And that's it, you can go ahead and export your video. What this will do is normalize your audio levels across your whole video, and this is different from normalizing your audio when editing. As you can see, they use LUFS instead of decibels for these settings. You might not even have heard of LUFS, so here's a short rundown. Decibels measure the intensity of the sound, essentially how loud something is at that particular moment. LUTs, on the other hand, take into account the whole audio length and the human ear sensitivity to different frequencies, providing a more accurate representation of perceived loudness. It basically just stabilizes your audio to the correct loudness as a whole. This way your audience gets a smoother, more pleasant listening experience, making your video sound way more professional and polished. And just to make myself clear, it will not boost intentionally quiet parts into oblivion and introduce a bunch of noise. For things like YouTube, this is an absolute lifesaver, and if you're planning to upload your video or audio to other platforms, here's a cheat sheet of what settings you should use. And in this video, I'll show you how to make your voice sound any way you want.
For example, this pleasant and warm voice.
Or the cinematic trailer voice.
You can basically do anything with this tool. So I'll see you in this video.